Well, hello everybody and welcome to my shop. Today's going to be a very short one. I actually didn't think about filming it up to now, so I've actually started on it, but said it might be worth something for someone because there's one simple trick on here that can help. All I have here is a cutting board that was given to me to fix by somebody in the family, and fixing because it's cracked here. The crack starts here, goes over here, and then it goes pretty much all the way through. I'll try to give you a detail here in a second. I thought this is an easy one. I thought it was, I didn't think about filming it because this is really easy, but it might be worth something. So what I did, which I did not film and it's now too late, is all the gunk that was on here I took off with a scraper. So this scraper has been sharpened. There are tons of videos online how to do that, and all I did is I put a piece of wood here, clamped it to my bench. I could have done the other way around with a bench hook, but yeah, you didn't think about it either. And I scraped going that way, which is harder, but you can, if you have a bench hook, you can push that way, or dug holes. So all I did is scrape this so it looks somewhat decent before I start gluing it. I'm gonna have to sand it anyways when I'm done with the glue up, but this glue up here, since it goes from one side to the other one, I'm gonna use a trick which you can see online too, but yeah, then why not? This is vacuum trick. So what I'm going to do is really easy. You put some glue on one side, put the vacuum on the other side, suck it up until I see the glue going through the other side. If the glue goes from one side to the other side, it means I have glue everywhere within the thickness of the board, which means I have enough glue so I can clamp it, wait for the glue to dry, and then refinish this thing. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you the crack now, and then we'll do the vacuum trick together. So let's do that. I know it's not a lot, but if at least one thing, this is a helpful trick, this is worth doing. So let me do that. So this is the board. I didn't clean it up very well, but you can see the crack here. It goes about here, and this thing is old. I don't know how old it is. There's another one here. So I'm gonna here too. So I'm gonna put some glue in there. Fix it up. This one is the one we just showed. So you see here it goes all the way through right here. And if you can look at here, I don't know if you can see it, but this has separated. So let's fix that with this vacuum trick. We'll see if it works or not. I'm sure it will because I've done it before, but so again, if at least one of you think it's useful, this video is worth something. Thank you. So let's see if it works. So I'm gonna pour some glue on here and start the vacuum and pull. Well, this is not going through, so let's make it worse before making it better, I guess. Make the crack worse. Put a piece of wood or something. Let's try again. See? Came through. I don't know if you see here, but see here, it came through. It's coming through, so that's probably good. Let's call that good. Cover over cracks. Well, I'm on it. Alright, and I'll just clamp it. There's one gum that doesn't close well here. I'm just going to sand it a little bit, put some sawdust in there. Okay, well it's bowed, so I need to put a third one. Apply some pressure here. Put some weight on it. Here we go. So let's see what it is. What it looks like. It's a bit bone, but it's not bad. So I went up to a 220 grit, and since I'm gonna put some oil on there, I don't want to go any higher. 220 is a bit high. But there are holes here, so I need to make sure when they're filled in with stuff. You're pretty deep. 6 mil. Okay, and now put some finish on it. I'm gonna use Osmo Top Oil, which is food safe. I can get it, it's fairly proof. Stuck. Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Right. That's way too much. Oh, no. Oh, this is drinking. There you put it. Okay, cool. Okay, now I got enough. Forget the size. Okay, this is it. So this is it. Nothing major, but just thought the vacuum trick could be nice if you've never seen it. But I'm sorry I haven't had time for any bigger projects lately. I've been busy with so many things. But maybe this one could be at least useful to some of you. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.